My name's Josh and we will be making a NEX jet. And you see, this is the jet we will be making today. Good. And I have some pieces over here and I have a couple in this little box. Okay, let's start. You'll be taking one of this. Let me lay it right here. Now we're doing this. See? I will have that. And now let's do it again. Like this. Good, right guys? Now guys, it shall be looking like this. Okay guys, now let's do this. You put this in right like that. And now, I'm doing this now. And now let's do that again. Okay guys, when you're finished with this, right guys, you'll be needing this. You'll be putting the jet thing like this. Now let's do that. Now, let's do it by the other side over here. Okay. Now, do you have this? You see? Oh wait, sorry. I'm so sorry guys. I did something wrong, I expect. Oh sorry guys. It was supposed to be like this. I'm gonna take a long glue, put it like this. You see? See? So it's the true way. Now, I am going to take one of that. I'll be putting it over here. You see? I'm going to take this long gray. I'm going to pluck it. Let me pluck it. Oh. Here you go, guys. I'll be putting it over here. Now let's plug it. You see? Now you see? Now you see how it looks? Good. Now we'll be putting it like this too. Oops. Then you should put one more like that. See? Now you see how it looks? Okay. Okay guys, let's put that one right by the corner here. Like, let me make it out fast and I will show you. Now, this is how it should be looking. Good. You're gonna take one of these like, and then we'll be putting that over here. You see? You're actually gonna need two. Now I'm gonna borrow two more from this. I'll be needing one of that. You see? And I'm gonna use the other piece. You'll be needing one of this. I'm gonna make, you see I plug it in there? Now I plug it in there. It should look like this. And that you will be putting at the front here. See? And now let's finish. Let me bring in. Now you see guys? I'm gonna put it right over here. Now we'll be taking one of this. Now you see here, I'm gonna put it right there. It must be an open space. And then I plug it in one there. And I'm gonna take one of this little green and I'm gonna plug it over here, guys. Now let me do that back like this. See? It should look like that. See? And then this piece here, I'm gonna plug it in by the white. Oops. Guys, and now guys, let me show you how I'm gonna plug it. Guys. Oops. Now you see guys, it should be looking like this. Good. Now, you'll be taking guys, one of this and put it like this. See guys? And now guys, we do this. I'll be putting this over here by the red, guys. And guys, let's put that by the piece right over here. Do you see? Now you might want to pull this a little bit for the front like this. We're gonna need it. And also 2 of this. Let me put it in just first. And you will need to put it at the 2 front. You see here? I'll be attaching it right over here. Wait a minute. Good. I'm done with one. The 2 piece. Do the other one. Sorry guys, it's a little hard. Okay guys, now I'm finished. Now you see how it looks? See? Now we have 2 planes, but we're almost finished. You see here, I'm gonna put one at the front here and the other one here, so it could land on feet. Now, we're finished. Thanks for watching my video, and one more thing. I'm gonna show you. This is how I look. You see I have 2 different planes. This is a normal, this is a gun plane. I really love it. And thanks for watching my video, and one more thing. Jesus love you. Bye! And don't forget to like and subscribe.